I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. This is the website. Okay, my boss figures that the agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 for a website like this. Whoopsie, here. And I'm gonna add your photos in this gallery link, on this link, and the contact details on this link as well, together with the map on the side. Now, if you have any other services that you want to add, information about the services that you want to add, we can also add it here. And about the company profile on this link. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I'm working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.